Puppies on a Segway, part 1. That would be Mia in the side bag. That would be Bella. Bella, look over here. Bella likes the altitude. That would be Allie. My Blackberry is going off with the sonar ping. And down below is Vera, the pink Segway with bling. Bling. And this is our prospective polo field. Oh wow. Don't worry everyone, they're strapped in. You don't have to call the ASPCA. And I'm sorry if this is like Cloverfield.
Look at Bella.
Ruff, ruff. I'm going to pass the camera to Allie.
Are you able to edit this down?
Yeah, but why would you do that?
Because
Here's
it's
the phone.
There's my baby.
Yeah, I'm just as dorky as my avatar. Alright.
How do I cut it? His first time on a Segway?
Segway smile, first timer. Not too bad. Actually, second timer. About a year ago today, he wiped out pretty bad.
Not so good.
First time, no good.
See, he's like a natural now.
Guess I should have told him about the black key.
Much better now.
Yeah.
Yay!
I'm not so scared of it. That's what it was.
Oh, that's Matt with a broken arm, not from a Segway.
Not from the Segway?
Not from a Segway. No, I hit him with a golf club. Just kidding.